Here is a question for you on parts of circles. So we've drawn a circle and shown different dotted lines here, right? You need to label the parts of the given circle, right? So you need to label, what is this? What is this called? What is this line called? Okay. And how about this part of this circle? How about the other part of the circle? How about the perimeter of the circle? What is that called? And how about the center points? What is the name of these things, correct? So label each part and try to give relation between them if possible, correct? So that is an exercise for you. You can look into my next video for the solution. Thank you and all the best.